Alright, so welcome back, and today I have another video, and this is what part I forgot? Kinda which part of a dash game? Yes, I'm gonna be making videos after this part. We made the start button, but the retry button, I had some doubts that I don't think so it's that good. So what I did is I deleted the retry option, and we are only gonna put we're not gonna broadcast. Yeah, when I receive game over, we're gonna stop that. This is the perfect thing, and let's just delete these. That will be perfect, because I'm thinking of something else. Not start. Click on the start game. Yeah, this was our timer. Okay, in our variables, let's hide the useless variables, like this. We got a time right there. It's gonna reset a timer. And what? Where's the reset time? It's gonna, when I receive start game, it's gonna set time to 0, which means it's going to like reset it again. So let's go save it. So as you remember, guys, we made this awesome button click game, and we could glide over here. Alright. As you can see, the enemies are kinda slow right now. But slowly, the enemies are getting kind of fast. Oh my god. See? And they'll multiply about 100 times. That's what our progress. Okay, so let's quickly go to enemy. So you remember we set the glide to, means it's the enemy speed. I'll rename this uh enemy speed. I'll name that. This is the enemy speed, and it increases the enemy speed every 10 seconds. We made this. It's not very complicated or anything. Then so now what we want is, like, whenever we touch whenever this guy's touching this, so just delete this guy's touching it. Then means like it's saying that when this color, wait, what? Okay, when our sprite, which is the man, is touching the enemies inside one or the outline, like I'll show you, means there are two. Oh, how can I move this? This is kind of hard. As you can see, there's an outline separate and a inside gray. So those are the two what we added. I hope you remember. If you haven't checked the rest of the parts, how to make a dash game, do check it out. This is part, where did I keep forgetting? I'll open File Explorer and see. Let's just go to videos, captures. I made a lot of captures for myself, but yeah. Hey, come on, captures. Okay, no, I don't want to play it. I don't want to. So we made this is part 4. I forgot. Yeah, this is part 4. Yeah. So this is what we till now did. Right now, so let's quickly make the retry button. Okay. When I receive game over, it's supposed to show, like, when I receive game over, I think so, not delete this clone, but instead it should stop other scripts in the sprite, and yeah, that should do it. I think so. We should add the retry button after that. So when I receive game over, this should also do this. Game over. It should, like, stop other scripts in the sprite. Now what we're gonna do is, like, I'm planning, instead of making a retry button, like showing your score, or I can even add the retry button. It doesn't matter. You can comment me down. I'll make a separate video. It's very simple. So we have to make another backdrop. Okay, what happened to my backdrop? Wow, this looks pretty good, but I don't know, is this coming in yours? Because mine it's coming again and again, which I do not like it. Let's quickly paint a good backdrop. Oh my god, I can't even. Alright, instead of that, let's just say delete this. This is a good backdrop. Let's make another called the time you survived. The time you survived. It's a global variable. I'm making this inside a backdrop so it turns into a global variable because a backdrop is not a sprite that we can control, move and all. So the time you survived, I think so I should put some underscotch. The time you survived. Alright, this is perfect. I know it's saying that some error, but we want this time you survived to hide in the start. Hide our variable called time you survived. Where is this? Yeah, in our when flag clicked inside the backdrops, I did this one. Yeah. After that, we don't need to focus on these. Now what we want to do is like you should take it over here wherever you want, and when I receive game over, this should just hide. Eventually it should hide, and then just take this thing over here. I hope you got that. Yep. Okay, let's just throw that stuff. I don't know. So yeah, what we want is this, and then if you want to add a retry button, you can, or you can like make clones and like represent instead of the variables or something. So when I receive game over, go to variables, then show. We actually don't need enable start. Delete. Show. Wait. Point start. What is that? I don't know. Whatever I made these. Let's just ignore that. I kind of forgot. I'm making this video a long time after. Show a variable and they'll say. Okay, let's. I think for this area is good. And now we want to do the settings of this time. So you can take when flag clicked, add in a forever loop. Wait, yeah. So what we can do is like we have this, but we need to have an if then. So that like if a game is over, then the timer has to stop. Like that. So if then oh, and then it's supposed to set a variable also. I forgot that. Set. Let's just quickly point start. What is this? I don't know, but let's just quickly set a variable called time end. Time end and set time end to 0, and in the top set time end to 1. Where is 1? Time end, yeah, 1. Okay, then now what we can do is now we can just focus on this. Oh, sorry. If then time end, we'll need an if then else. Else nothing. If then else. You don't actually need the if then else. So if then our time end equals to 0, then it is supposed to like stop the script or stop Yeah, so like just stop this scripts. Yeah, it's gonna stop the script, and now let's quickly check our we can go to operators. Now you have this thing called no operators. Yeah. Okay. You as you remember, it's forever girl loop going to set our variable time survive to our variable time inside here. If you're not knowing why did I set the make another variable that like this, because our time is represented up over here and our time is survived, we can't move like change its y or anything, so I added it. I have to add another variable. So next, I hope it works. So let's quickly check it out. Time end, we just have to remove the time end. Oh, sorry, time end is out. And remember to have a tick mark on your time you survived. Wait, what? Wait, hey. Come on, what's happening? I think so I made something wrong. If then time end equals to 0, then stop the script. And I see start game set time to 0. It's not plan setting. Okay, I have to do this. Alright, this is perfect. Let's quickly die. No! You survived 6 seconds. Alright, so what now we can do is nothing. It's like the end of the game, and this was kind of short. Okay, that's the end for today's video, and like I added this. So it was pretty easy, not a very like big one, but yeah. So I'll see you in our next video of a Flappy Bird game. So till now, bye, and I'll quickly share this. Yeah, done. You can check it out, links in the description box below. Bye.